Okay, class, let's continue with our book, Insta English Starter, unit number 4, on page 65. In this part, we're going to check grammar number 2. And this grammar number 2, it's about a, some, any. And also says countable nouns and countable nouns. Okay, let's see. When we talk about countable nouns, we talk about singular. Okay, we talk about singular or plural. Okay, singular or plural nouns. For example, there's a rainforest, or there's an island. A or an. There are some hotels. There are some hotels. So I don't know how many hotels. 10, 20, 30, 100, 1000 hotels. I don't know exactly. I only know there are some hotels. No, there is affirmative in countable nouns. Now, what about the negative form? There isn't a lake. There isn't a lake. In singular or in plural, there aren't any insects. There aren't any insects. And let's continue with the question. Now, is there a school, or are there any museums? So listen, in countable nouns, and especially in singular, we use a or an. No? Affirmative, negative, or questions. Also, we use some with plurals in affirmative, any in plurals with negative, and also any in plurals with questions. So that's very easy. Now let's see uncountable nouns. Remember, when I say uncountable now, it's because it's impossible to count. There's some snow, or there isn't any ice. Is there any sun? Okay, be careful. And also, the uncountable noun goes in singular, no in plural, no in plural. Now, let's see. Let's continue. Remember, in classes, we're going to explain a little more bit this activity. So this is like the starting of the activity. Now let's see. Number 1. Look at the sentences in the chart and choose the correct words to complete the rules. Cross out the wrong ones. Okay, let's see. Countable nouns have or don't have singular and plural forms. Yes, of course, countable nouns have singular and plural form. Remember, there is a, or there are some, singular and plural. Let's continue with uncountable nouns have, or uncountable nouns don't have plural forms. It doesn't say singular and plural, only say plural. Okay? Excellent. Uncountable noun doesn't have, nouns don't have plural nouns, only singular. C. We use a and with singular plural nouns. Excellent. We use a or an with singular nouns. We use some in affirmative or negative sentences. Some. We use some with affirmative sentences. Letter E. We don't use any in negative sentences or questions. Any, okay. We use any in negative sentences or questions. Now let's continue. Here I have a tip. We use a before a consonant sounds. No, remember, no consonant, consonant sounds. A mountain, a university, a hospital. We use an before vowel sounds. A nice hotel, an uncle, an hour. Okay, an. I hope this tip could be useful for you. Here, for example, I have some nouns. Okay, do you use a or an with these nouns? Okay, let's practice. Apple, a, apple, an apple. Okay, an apple. House, house, a house. Island, I, island, an island. Okay, an island. Lake, lake, a lake. Sport, sport, a sport. Umbrella, an, an, an umbrella, an umbrella. There are many examples. There are few. In classes we're going to practice. Okay, so get ready. Now, number 3. Complete with a or an, some or any. You have 4 alternatives. Underwater world, Singapore. There's a and some any aquarium in Sentosa Island, Singapore. There are interesting activities like swimming with sharks. There is an indoor beach in the aquarium. There aren't swimming pools or water slides for people. There's long glass tunnel to look at the fish. So what do you have to do? Now in this part you need to complete with a or an, some or any. How what, mister? Following the rules, no? Following this rule. Okay? Well, let's see. Here we have number 4. Choose the correct word. So here is a reading activity so that you can read and choose the correct answer. Come to the climbing arena. There isn't or there aren't any water here, and there aren't some or any beaches, but there are an or some incredible climbing walls. If you're a designer, there is an or some instructor for you. If you're an expert, what is that? There are any or some competitions walls. Do your parents want to watch? There is a or some coffee shop, and there is a or an area for your little brother or sister to play. It's cold outside, and there is some ice on the road, but we're warm and active inside. In other words, the idea is to try to select one of the two chances, okay, so that you can complete this article. In activity number 4 says answer about where you live. No, so in number 5 is personal. No, in number 5 is personal. So everybody is going to do it by yourselves. Okay, class. Hope you like the class. In this class we seen vocabulary, okay, vocabulary about landscape features. Where is that? Here. There was reading, the grammar number 2, and some any, and finally we finish with another reading activity so that you can complete. If you have extra chance, grammar guide is your option. No, page 68. Thank you very much, class. A pleasure to work with you. Bye bye.